lead all of us. I now request her, our President-elect, to welcome the gathering. Over to you, Malasa.
Thank you, Anisha. A very good evening, everybody. William Butler once said, "There are no strangers here, only friends you haven't met yet." And Rotaract is just that. A very good evening to everyone present in the meeting. And it gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to the orientation program of Rotary Club of Manipal Central, Rotaract Club of Manipal Central. There will be plenty of knowledge exchange throughout the journey as a part of Rotaract. And we are surely starting on a high note by having amongst us a person who has a vast and varied collection of accomplishments in his basket. A third generation Rotarian and a celebrated youth leader, Rotarian PDG Abhinandan Shetty. Welcome, sir. I would like to welcome Rotarian Prashant Hegde and Rotarian Shripati Pujari, President and Secretary of our parent club, Rotary Club of Udupi Manipal. Rotarian Renu Jairam, Director of Youth Service, RCUM, is a constant source of support and encouragement to us. Welcome, ma'am. I would like to welcome Rotarian Dr. Girija, Chairman, Rotaract Club of Manipal Central, who has been guiding us through the process of forming this club. I would like to welcome Rotarian Amit Arvind, Director Community Service, RCUM, Rotarian Rajavarma Ariga, Rotarian Nagraj Tantri, who have believed in the potential of our team. I welcome all the members of Rotary Club of Udupi Manipal, Rotaractors, Interact invitees, and faculty coordinators who are present in the meeting today. And finally, I welcome all the talented, spirited, and young aspiring Rotaractors about to form this new team. I hope this orientation inspires ideas and discussion around ways that will make the Rotaract Club of Manipal Central one of the best performing clubs. Thank you.
Thank you, Malasa, for your warm welcome. We now have the president of our sponsor club, Rotarian Prashant Hegde, for his opening remarks. Over to you, sir.
Good evening, everyone. It is a pleasure to have PDG Rotarian Abhinandan Shetty for today's practice. I feel PDG is an apt resource person for Rotaractors and latest important post in Rotary. In addition, is important because of following reasons. I can say it helps new Rotaractors to know what is Rotary and what is Rotaractor. It helps to know how to serve the society. Being a Rotaractors helps in effective involvement in the activities of Rotaract and build fellowship. I wholeheartedly thank New Generation Director, Rotarian Renu Jairam, Chairman of the new Rotaract Club of Manipal Central, Rotarian Dr. Girija, and Vice Chairman, Rotarian Amit, and all the members of Rotary Club of Udupi Manipal for forming of new club, Rotaract Club of Manipal Central. I wish all the best to Ms. Mahalasa Kini, President-elect, Mr. Anirudh, Secretary-elect, and their team. I am sure this orientation program would motivate all of you for making Rotaract Club of Manipal Central a vibrant club. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Rotarian Dr. Girija has always been a very strong support since the idea of forming this new club. I now request her to share her thoughts. Over to you, ma'am.
Respected PDG Abhinandan Shetty, thank you very much for coming. And our dear President Prashant Hegde and our Secretary Shripati, and all the Rotaractors for this proposed club Manipal Central headed by Mahalasa and Anirudh, and all the members of our Udupi Manipal club, and also all the Rotaractors of our clubs from Manipal and Mahe and everywhere. Thank you for attending. such a joy. It has been really joy for the last 5-6 minutes to watch these young faces speak so beautifully. Nice, very well done, Amisha, and very well done, Mahala sir. So nicely prepared and done well. This itself shows that you're on the go. Now, this club is a classic example of how you can if you keep involving yourself in any activity, something somewhere will happen someday. It happened that a few of our clubs, from Youth Service Director Renu Jairam and Amit, our Community Service Director, and Rotarian Ariga, and Nagaraj Tantri, who was also a very great Rotractor and a DRR and all that. We wanted to revive one of the Rotaract clubs in our under us, which was not doing quite well, which didn't happen last year. We wanted to revive it. So so I thought we should have some members, collect some members and start it again. That's how we started it. And looking out for members, the first person I could think of was Mahala sir, because I know her, and then she lives next door and she is easy for me to contact. She can come running from her compound, jump the compound and come into my compound. So that's why I asked Mahala sir. And Mahala sir, and as I collect a few friends, and as we progress, we got a bunch of very vibrant, one friend led to another, and another friend led to another, and I found we really had a vibrant group of youngsters, which we all knew. And I really wondered, why didn't we use these youngsters who were so vibrant and form a club even before all these things? Now, as usual, Mahala sir has her own way of doing things. Very quietly, she will say this thing, because I really wanted members to revive this club that was not doing well. Then she said, a soft surface, no, auntie, that name is a little bit not okay. Then I said, okay, we'll change, but don't worry, form this club. Then and I said, no, those people, their wavelength is not our wavelength. So many reasons, and I was very adamant that that same club should be revived. But then in her own persuasive way, she managed to say that they would like to have a different club. And that is how this club has been started. It's a Manipal Central club, and I find all the members are very, very, very interested, motivated to do something small or something for the community. Now, this club will follow Dr. Temepai's words. He said, any human activity has always a small beginning. You don't have to start anything in a big way, just small. And as good work is turned out each year and gets multiplied, the promoters themselves will feel surprised at how much they have done. That's what happens, you start very small and then go on building, and you'll find that you achieved a very big thing. And that's what I am sure you as Rotaractors of Manipal Central are going to do. And this club has been now started in a very interesting time, is when Rotary International has realized that we are not really making use of these Rotaractors, because Rotaractors were supposed to be from 18 years till 30 years. And they found not many of these Rotaractors were joining Rotary. So they have started thinking and changing ways of making more youngsters get involved in this process of Rotary, and they've increased the age. It's not now 30. From 18 years onward till any age, you can be a Rotaractors. They have also given you power to take charge in decision making of our Rotary. You can also apply for membership, Distinguished Service Award, just like Rotarians. You can also apply for global grants. These are all the things I think our Abhinandan Shetty will be telling us today. And you couldn't have a better person than him to tell you all these things. Now, my father, a little bit more, because I saw that I've been given 5 to 7 minutes. My father, Dr. A. Krishna Rao, was the Dean of KMC, and he was the charter member, which means that he was there when our Rotary Club Udupi Manipal was started in 26th August 1958. That is, yesterday we completed 62 years. And yesterday it was just exactly 1 month since my father died. And so I thought I'll tell you a little bit about him connected to Rotary. He always believed in this four-way test. You know the four-way test of Rotary. Is it the truth? Is it beneficial to all? And they think there are 4 tests that you have to live by. And he believed very much in it. And he always said, ethics, ethics, ethics. He hammered it into us. You believe in ethics. You live so that when your children think of fairness and integrity, they must think of you. And I can safely say that when I think of fairness and integrity, I think of my father. There were many tributes. When he passed away, he was a teacher in physiology and he was a dean, and so they were interested in medical education. So there are lots of tributes saying how he was taught so well and how he is such a simple man, so he's a humble man. But one tribute was, he was my conscience keeper, he said. And he said, conscience keeper, he gave 3 examples of how my father helped him to go in the straight path. He was a junior and my father was a very senior person. He was a dean. And there is this thing where the junior staff will do a skit, or where they do a little, entertain the students. One of the college day, one day the staff will entertain the students, other days the students entertain everybody. So during that time, he took part in a skit, which really he didn't like, because he didn't like the joke in which they were making fun of students. It was in a little bad taste, but still, because he had to take part, he took part. The next day, my father called him and said, this is not right. Huh? You don't laugh at people. You must learn to laugh with people. Then he said, no, sir, I didn't want to join. Then he said, if you didn't believe in it, you shouldn't have joined. So that was the first story. So the third of the 4-way test, that is, was put into action. Will it build goodwill and better friendships? Whenever you do something, will it build goodwill and better friendships? So your action should be towards that. Another episode he narrated was, we used to have clinical meetings. That is, where interesting cases were presented once a week or once in 2 weeks, and all the big clinicians would come and present it and then discuss about it and all. That is what is called a clinical meeting. So for that clinical meeting, he had to present a pathology report, which purposefully his head said, don't present it now, we'll present it after the clinical meeting. So one of the big professors discussed one case, and he had a different diagnosis, which turned out to be wrong. Because this fellow, the pathology department, gave his pathology report, and which was not tallying, and so it was sort of embarrassing, such a big clinician being embarrassed in front of so many people. So next day, father again called, because he knew that the head of the pathology had a little bit of differences between this clinician, and just to make him embarrassed, he did this. So he said, you don't get involved in politics. You have come here to study. You get to know as much as your subject, and that is your job, and not to get involved with politics. And that was his second 4-way test, he said. Is it fair to all concerned? When you did that, was it fair? Was it fair to that professor who was such a learned senior person? So the last one was when the junior doctor had to go for a Senate elections, and he had to vote. And the higher ups had told him, if there is anybody who's absent, you put the vote in their name also. So when father called him again and said, what did you do? How do you expect your students to understand fairness and ethics if you yourself had behaved like this? Is it the truth? The first of the 4-way tests. So dear children, follow the 4-way test. In some way, as you go deeper and deeper, you understand that there is a true meaning in all this, and will lead you into the correct path of doing service to the community. And that's what I wanted to tell you all. Thank you once again. Just a lovely gem of children, all of you are. And please do well. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotary Girija, for your thoughtful words. We are confident that with your innovative ideas and abundant support, we shall achieve great heights. I would now like Jaita Kotian to introduce our chief guest of the day.
Good evening to everyone present here. Rotarian Abhinandan A. Shetty has pursued MBA in International Business from Scheller International University in London. During his student days, Mr. Shetty has extensively traveled throughout Europe and the United States and is currently managing the family businesses. A third-generation Rotarian, Abhinandan is a member of Rotary Kundapur South. He joined the Rotary movement as a Rotaract in 1998 as a member of Kundapur South and later became its president in 1999. During his tenure, the club has won many laurels to its credit. He was the District Community Service Director and was awarded the Best Director. He was the team leader of the Inter-District Youth Exchange Program. He was the District Rotaract representative of Rotary International District 3180 during the year 2002 and 2003 and was one of the most successful DRRs of Rotary International District 3180. He was the president of Rotary Kundapur South in 2011 and 12. Mr. Shetty was the assistant governor of Zone 1 RI District 3180 for the year 2012 and 13. In the year 2006 and 7, he was the district Rotaract chairman and has been responsible in starting 40 new Rotaract clubs, which has been the highest ever in the district. He has been an effective counselor in all Rotaract training seminars, District Rotaract Assembly and RILA since 2002. He is also a regular source person as the Rotary District and zonal events. He has attended the Rotary International Convention held at various international locations. He has attended a number of RILAs since 1919, both at the district and national levels. He was the counselor at the International RILA 2008 at Los Angeles, USA. He was the chairman for various prestigious events like RILA in 2010 and 11. Unnati and many others such as Akshata in 2010. Rotarian Abhinandan Shetty was elected unopposed as the district governor for Rotary International District 3180 for the year 2018 and 19 and was one of the youngest governor of the district to assume office. Thank you. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you, Jayita. Now, with much honor, I would like to call upon Rotarian PDG Abhinandan Shetty for the orientation talk. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Jayita, for that wonderful introduction. President of the Rotary Club of Udupi Manipal, my good friend Prashant, Secretary Shripati, Chairperson of the newly formed Rotary Club of Manipal Central, Dr. A. Girija, Youth Service Director of the club, Renu, newly inducted President, Mahalasa, Secretary, all senior Rotarians of Rotary Club of Udupi Manipal, all incoming Rotaractors and all invitees. First of all, before I speak, I would like to pay my humble tribute to the noble soul of Dr. Krishna Rao, who left us a month ago. I really feel so good because last time when I met him 2 years back during the 60th year celebration when I was the district governor, I still remember the wit and humor that he used when he was speaking, replying for a felicitation. I also should thank him for his contribution not only to Rotary but also to Manipal, and also his contribution in giving a good leader, the first lady Rotarian as governor to our district also. That is something we'll always remember. Friends, coming to any Rotaract event is an excitement for me. Given an option, I would always stay in Rotaract. The reason is whatever I am today, whatever accomplishments I have done in Rotary today, is because of my days in Rotaract, whatever I have studied in my Rotaract days, the forum that has taught me a lot. First of all, I'd like to congratulate Rotary Club of Udupi Manipal for having revived this movement through this new club, Rotaract Club of Manipal Central. The second thing is I would like to congratulate each one of you, the new Rotaractors, for having opted to be a part of this movement. Friends, this is a wonderful opportunity. I remember once reading a phrase which said, in life, there are no guarantees or warranties. All you have is possibilities and opportunities. So this is one opportunity that comes across your way, friends. As Emerson said, opportunity is like a stream that flows across you at all times. It is you who should seize them, channelize them, and turn them into reality. What I'm trying to tell you here is, this forum of Rotaract is an opportunity that has come in front of you. Now the wisdom lies in grabbing it. So when this opportunity has come to you, it is you who should channelize them into reality, my friends. So before we go ahead, let me give you a brief introduction of what Rotary International means actually. See, most of you might be knowing that Rotary International is one of the largest service organizations in this world. It was founded in the year 1905 by a person called Paul Harris in Chicago, United States. This was just started as an organization confined to friendship and fellowship in the initial days. He wanted to spend some quality time with people from various vocations, and at that point, he thought of having a small fellowship group confined to a few people in that particular city of Chicago. And later, my friends, his dreams. See, when Dr. Girija said, try doing something small, it all adds up and multiplies and sums up to something great one day. Paul Harris is a classic example for that, my friends. Today, almost 115 years down the line, you see the world's largest service organization doing so much of good to this world. If you have ever heard of the disease polio, if today this world is almost polio free, it is because of the contribution of Rotarians, my friends. Such is the kind of service that we do. I'm just giving you one example. Be it literacy, be it safe drinking water, be it health and humanity or hunger, Rotary is the pioneer organization in this world that has addressed to all these issues. Rotary also thinks enough and more about the youth of the community. It was in 1962, for the first time, Rotary started the Interact movement for the school-going children, especially between the age group of 12 to 18. And the idea was to give them international understanding. Think locally and act globally. Think globally and act locally was the theme of starting an Interact club. When they came to 1968, Rotary thought that we have to look at the youth of the community, be they students or people who are working in between the age of 18 to 30. And they started this movement, this wonderful movement called the Rotaract, which means Rotary in action. The idea, the basic theme of Rotaract is fellowship through service, my friends. Because as young individuals, just in college or just as students, or just getting into job or your vocation, it is not possible for you to do big projects of high magnitude, which involves a lot of funds and budget. But all you can do is through fellowship, you can improve yourselves. Rotaract acts as a molding machine. You all as young students might be knowing the nature of a molding machine, what a molding machine does. It gives shape to an object. Similarly, Rotaract is a movement that shapes the young people, my friends. It is an organization that provides a platform, a forum for you to develop your personality, to enhance your skills, to enrich your public speaking abilities, All put together, it gives you a different kind of a personality. It gives you that competitive edge. It gives you that leadership abilities that you need today. Friends, often we think that education solves all our problems, or education is a solution to most of our problems. In fact, it is not. It is your personality that helps you go ahead. Education added with a wonderful personality, with the overall personality, gives you a wonderful advantage in this world over others. So if you have to develop your personality, if you have to improve your abilities to grow and go further, Rotaract is one organization, one movement that teaches you to be the leader in a very, very natural process. Today, I tell you, my friends, if I could be a leader in the youth community or a youth movement, if I could be something in Rotary or whatever little I have accomplished in my life, certainly it is not my education, but it was my days in the Rotaract movement. Rotaract has given me that advantage and that courage to go ahead. So for you, what is needed most is to utilize this forum. I tell you that you are all fortunate people. Your parents have given you the best of education. They have sent you to the best of the schools. They are giving you the best of the things. You have a life of quality. Today, what you need to do is to start thinking beyond yourself. Start thinking about the community. Start thinking how you can enhance your abilities, be it public speaking, leadership, communication skills. Rotaract is one forum that teaches you everything. So make use of this opportunity, my friends. As I told you earlier, the intention of Rotary to have a Rotaract club in the community is one, to help the youth of the community to develop. And the other thing is, we as Rotarians, the Rotary Club also needs people who will be of voluntary help to us in doing good to the community. As Dr. Girija said earlier, Rotaract had many norms that you could be in Rotaract only from the age group of 18 to 30. And after that, you had to quit Rotaract. But today it is not so. Rotaract has become a very flexible unit. Rotaract has been given the same importance as Rotary. Today you have been made as partners in service. So what does this all mean? This means there is more scope. You can have your own global grant projects if you need to. Global grant projects are projects of high budget, which involves more than 20 lakhs of rupees. Rotary would help you doing that. With your nothing is impossible with the help of a Rotary Club. And you're also fortunate to have a mother club, a sponsoring club in Rotary Club of Udupi Manipal, which is full of resources, my friends. See, each Rotary Club has members, Rotarians from various walks of life. The beauty of Rotary is there are people from various classifications, various vocations, various walks of life. They are all a resource, their source of information and inspiration for you. They can guide you in each aspects of life. It is like getting guidance from your seniors at home. Rotary is as good as that. So you're all fortunate enough to have a club like Udupi Manipal, which will guide you. And one thing I tell you, see, today, the youngsters, if at all you fail because of the fear of failure. We always think that when we do a mistake, people will laugh at us or you will be criticized. Don't worry about that, my friends. Go ahead. If you have to do mistakes, do it in the Rotaract forum. It's fine. We have all done mistakes during our Rotaract lives. People will forgive your mistakes at this age. Probably at a later age, when you do mistakes, that becomes fatal. I remember it's a lot of time when people speak for the first time, they have so much of inhibitions. They don't want to speak. They don't want to open up. I say, it's okay to make mistakes in the forums. Like I remember in 2006 when I had gone to inaugurate a Rotaract club somewhere close by. One newly inducted Rotaractor was introducing me. At the end of my introduction, he didn't know what to say. It was written RTN Abhinandan Shetty, which was Rotarian Abhinandan Shetty, but he couldn't say what it was. And he told, I welcome, here is our chief guest, notorious Abhinandan Shetty on stage. And then I looked for help. I thought the assistant governor sitting next to me would tell that it was a slip of the tongue. But instead of that, the assistant governor asked me, does this guy know you earlier? So these kind of things are always there in life. But this is a small things. You make mistakes, you learn through that. Over the years, you improve on that, and you become totally enriched and experienced individuals who will be ready to face the challenges of life, the realities of life. George Bernard Shaw once said, "Now we have learned to fly like birds in the sky. We have learned to swim like fishes in the sea. All we need to learn is to live on this earth like human beings." Probably these are the forums that teaches us how to live on this earth like human beings. It is important. Success is a very important thing, my friends. But what is more important is to be human. So that process of being human, that process of being right should start from our Rotaract days. It should start from the younger days. I remember when Dr. Girija said, she rightly said, integrity is the most important thing in our life. What is integrity, my friends? Integrity is to do the right things when nobody is seeing you. We all tend to do the right things when everybody is watching or observing us. But whoever does the right thing when nobody is observing you is real integrity, my friends. And all these things would start at this age. What you learn now, your culture, with your education, and the exposure you get at this age of your life will take you to to greater heights in the days to come. So now coming back to the Rotaract movement, what can you do as a Rotaractor? How can you help this community? There are various projects a Rotaractor could do without involving high budget projects. It would be creating awareness camps regarding the environment. It is giving a publicity, making people aware of the importance of, say for example, a clean environment, a green environment. You could also act as ambassadors of road safety. You can tell your fellow mates in Manipal, you could have various amount of projects regarding to road safety. You can give messages to people as to how important your lives are. You can donate blood at frequent intervals. I tell you, as Rotaractors, we used to do it. We used to do it 40-50 times altogether. We had a resource of people. We had a bank of people who used to donate blood during every crisis. These are things which do not involve much cost, but it means a lot to this society. There are a lot of people who are wanting this from you. You could do that. You could create awareness about safe drinking water, water conservation. There are lot many things you can do in this life. So use this forum. I think probably after this pandemic is over, you start meeting in person. You have the real meetings happening. Then you start deciding what you could do for the community, and you can be a source of voluntary help to your parent club, that is Rotary Club of Udupi Manipal. They have wonderful projects seated around Manipal. They have some signature projects. They have some continuous projects. They have some projects that go on every year. You can be a source of voluntary help to them. See, instill that feeling of doing good to the community. And when you do that, when you start doing that, certainly you start feeling good. When you start doing those small things, one day they all pile up to be something really worth emulating for somebody else to follow you. As I told you earlier, why do we need to serve, my friends? Somebody asked, is it really required to serve? Is it really required to think about this environment? Everything is fine here. See, all the good we have in this world is given to us by someone else. All the privileges and the advantages that we enjoy in this world is a result of somebody else's efforts. Today, it becomes our duty to reciprocate. It becomes our duty to see that this world remains so before we hand it to the next generation. So there comes the part where we have to play our part. I think Rotaract is a wonderful forum for you to play your part now. To conduct the Rotaract meetings, I think when the real meetings come, some of our resource people will certainly help you as to how the meetings should run. The meetings normally run on parliamentary procedures. There is a president who presides. There is a secretary who is there. There are club directors who do their part of the job. They are all done in a very organized manner. The club meeting is done in a very organized manner and in a wonderful decorum. These are all things that you need to follow. That these are things that you learn as you go ahead. Make good use of this opportunity. I consider this a golden opportunity for you all to carry on. This will help you become better individuals. Certainly, it will help you develop the personality. I once again congratulate the Rotary Club of Udupi Manipal and the office bearers who have taken this initiative to start this wonderful club, and aptly named as Manipal Central. Manipal is always the center of youth activities, a hub of youth activities. I think it's aptly named. Uh, Certainly, one day when the lockdown is all over, I wish to meet you in person and address you once again. Thank you for the opportunity. I wish you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Your inspiring address has surely motivated us further, and we are now ready to take off with great spirits. It would be a pleasure if Rotarian Shripati or Rotarian Renu Jayaram would wish to put forward a few words.
And this comes as a surprise to us now. Shripati, you would like to say something? Shripati? Yes, anyway, this was one surprise thing which was not in the agenda. Nevertheless, I think I can confidently say today that I am the most excited one, being the youth service director, because during my time, one new club has been added, and especially when everybody feels COVID, nothing is happening. Corona, it is Corona, nothing is moving, and this is something very exciting for me as youth service director. And it's nice that we have had Rotarian Abhi sir with us, because whenever I see him, I can see first Rotractor in him. Because wherever he is gone, wherever he is addressed, he's never missed the word Rotractor in all his speeches, if I have heard it right. So whenever we see Abhinandan sir, we always think of him as a Rotractor, and then so he could be the best role model for all our Rotractors. And when they begin, we needed one strong motivation and one strong role model for us, and that's how you are in, sir. Thank you so much. I am sure, as Amisha mentioned, now nothing can stop them, and sky is the limit. And we always felt that there was a vacuum in Manipal for this Rotract community-based club, and that's how, when this idea came up, I think it fitted, everything fell in place and it took shape. I thank everyone for making this happening, and we are already there with the orientation, and the coming week with the installation. I think that's about it from me, and thank you all so much. Thank you, Abhinandan sir, for taking out your time. And as you said, there's always opportunities and we need to channelize them. And during these COVID times, we saw this wonderful opportunity, and as a youth service director, I never wanted to miss it. And this is how everything fell in place, with the right chairperson, right president, secretary, everything. When you want something to happen, God makes it happen, is what they say. And so and with the wonderful club like ours, I think we are all well supported. So it is nice to see this happening. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. I request our Secretary-elect Anirudh Haritsa to propose the vote of thanks.
Would you like to have any questions to ask him?
Yes, actually we were supposed to have questions.
You can ask questions to Sir Mahalasa.
Mahalasa had one question. You can ask that, Mahalasa.
Sir, I was wondering, we have a lot of college-going students now, and some of them are 17 and a half, who will turn 18 soon. But is that a problem to join people?
You can join.
No, it's not a problem at all. You can join. Now it's very flexible. Age is no more a criteria in Rotaract.
And I believe, even the upper limit has been relaxed. Is it so, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is true. So I told you, if we were Rotaract, if I was a Rotaractor now, I would never have joined Rotary.
So good, we have you as Rotarian things. We are lucky then. Anyway, we have Anujit. Do you have something to say, Anujit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Anujit is Rotractor Mahe. Yes, let me just introduce you to our chief guest. Anujit here is the president of Rotract Mahe, sir.
Thank you, ma'am, for the introduction. Yeah, just like how in any kind of joint family, when you welcome a newborn baby, the kind of happiness you have, similar to that, we are really happy to have a new Rotaract club in our locality, and we welcome with our, I mean, um, all heartedness. We welcome you, and for anything you need, we'll be there for you. So yeah, and we hope to collaborate more and reach out to the community more together. Yeah,
Thank you, Anujit. I remember getting in touch with you the very first time to ask about Rotaract and what are the things that you do so that we have an idea of how to go ahead with our team. So the support is evidently seen, and we'll surely do some great projects together.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. All the best to you and your club. Yeah.
Can I say something? Can I say something,
Yes,
Manas?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. In fact, probably when we were in the Rotaract movement 25 years back or so, Udupi Manipal and Udupi had one of the best Rotaract clubs in the entire district. Be it the club of Mahe or the one in Manipal, the Udupi Manipal Rotaract and the Udupi Rotaract club. We had a lot of leaders coming from those clubs. We had a lot of clubs having a lot of projects, and I'm sure that they were all the best clubs in the district. And I hope that once again through this club, that we will get that glory back.
Definitely, sir. I think one of the unique factor of the team that we are forming now is most of them, like you, are third generation or second generation Rotaractors and kids of Rotarians. So they're used to being in the zone of social service, looking up to their parents. So that is going to add on to the things that they can bring to the team.
Good, nice.
Thank you.
Do we have any other Rotaractors or anyone with any questions? I think we can move ahead. Can I just add one question to you, sir? During these pandemic times, how are other Rotaract clubs? Is there any innovative ways by which they are operating, or is there any unique ideas you can share with our Rotaractors?
If you ask me, I will always say that Rotary never had a lockdown, even during the pandemic. We have done so many good things to this world, both Rotary and Rotaract together. Like in different parts of the world, we have had so many projects happening, and especially in few like in Africa and all, Rotaractors and all have been working so much. They have been doing so much of voluntary help. Like they say, no, I feel Rotary is one organization that has adapted to this change very quickly. Because, like as they say earlier, they used to say there was an old saying, say, survival of the fittest. Probably for Rotary, it is survival of the quickest. We have adapted to the change very soon, and Rotaractors have also done so much of good work.
Is there anyone who wants to add on to this, or yeah? Okay. And good evening. My name is Aniruddha Haritsa, and I would like to thank everybody who has been a part of today's orientation program. First off, I'd like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the chief guest, Rotarian PDG Abhinandan Shetty. Thank you for all the valuable information and insights you have given us all today. I'd also like to thank the president of Rotary Club Udupi Manipal, Rotarian Prashant Hegde, and secretary Rotarian Sripati for their support and for helping us organize today's meeting. I thank the chairperson, Rotaract Club Manipal Central Rotarian Dr. Girija for your kind words and words of wisdom. Thank you to Youth Service Director, Rotary Club Udupi Manipal, Rotarian Renu Jairam, Rotarian Amit Arvind, Rotarian Rajavarma Riga, and Rotarian Nagaraj Tantri for their continuous support and guidance. We will strive to live up to all your expectations. Thank you, Anujit, for the warm welcome. Looking forward to working with you and your team in the near future. Thank you to Jaita for introducing our chief guest today. Also, thank you to the MC for today, Amisha, for a job well done. Thank you, everybody, for taking your time out and participating in today's program. Thank you.